There are 4 wheels on your vacuum, and they're made of plastic. After years of use, the wheel can wear out around the axle, or become broken. Replacing the wheels is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old wheel from the vacuum. The wheels are secured with push cap type fasteners. This style of fastener will need to be replaced after you remove it. To remove it, I'll use a pair of pliers to pry the cap off. With the cap removed, now I can slide the wheel off the axle. Now install the new wheel. I'll slide the wheel over the axle and secure it with a new push cap. I'll place the push cap over the end of the axle and then use a punch and hammer to secure it to the axle. And that's how simple it is to install a new wheel on your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.